Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So Friday Freebie Day, we are now on number 147, and this again is going with last week's and the week before. So that was our little journal. So today I have some beautiful journal cards and some pockets. Now they all obviously mix and match, oopsie daisy, flick it out the way, with our lovely journal here. So I'm going to, this is last week, so this was the first week, which was the journal cover, which we did, and then last week we sewed in our signature with our lovely pages, and today we are going to add in the pockets and some journal cards, so that will be lovely. So I'm going to pop this to the side because I already have them cut out here in a little pile. So I've done these as well. So again, I've made these as little pockets to put in there, but you can use them for whatever you like to use them for. But these journal cards are just beautiful. I've shrunk these down. These are the front covers and the back cover. Look, so they are lovely. And we have two little side pockets like that. So shall we add them into our journal? Now we have got, so we've got 4 pages at the front and I've got 4 pages at the back. So what we will do, let's pop one of these on here like that, because in this one, our first one, I've put this one on the front like that. So I would rather have this one on the front. I don't want them all exactly the same. So let's just stick them in. So it's really, really simple to do. I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue along the bottom and along here like that, and pop that in. Now next week as well, I've got some bits and pieces to go in it, and next week I think we will embellish it with just a few little bits of lace and trim and things like that, just to jazz it up a little bit. So once we've got some basic bits and pieces in there. So let me pop this one in there like that. Look at that, just doesn't that look lovely? Now you can pop a little pocket on here if you want to, but I quite like that as it is. So shall we have, what should we do? Should we put another one? I think I'm going to use it on this page. Shall we have this little one? So we've got the little double. Now you can use that as like a little belly band if you want to, but I'm just going to use it as a pocket. Look at that, it's a perfect size pocket. Maybe we will go for the one with the butterflies on it, because that goes in lovely, doesn't it? So let's just pop a little bit of glue on here and down here like that. So I'm loving these. I think they're just so lovely, and I love butterflies. So it's a nice simple one like this, and then of course when that's dry, don't push it in too far. We don't want to get glue on it. Look at that, so simple, isn't it? And I'm loving it. So that's, we've got 2 to go into the first half. Shall I pop one in the middle? Let's pop this one on the middle page, shall we? Because I think that will look nice. Now we want to go along the bottom and along here. So again, if you haven't picked these up from the Facebook group, pop over and download them, so you can get 3 weeks of them now, or you can get the rest. You can get 10 weeks worth of Friday Freebies in there at the moment, or maybe even more, I think. So do pop over, links are under the video. I'm going to pop that in there, or should we have that one to go with that one? Should we have those to match? No, I think I will just put them like that. So yes, pop over and download them. You don't have to use it, like I always say, make sure you have them. Doesn't mean you have to use them straight away. And I think, or maybe I'll put this on here, no, or on here. Decisions. Doesn't really matter where we put them, does it? Pop that on there, down here. So this is so quick and easy to do, like that. Pop that on your pocket, just a little pocket like that. And I just think it looks lovely. Super simple and quick. Now you can print off as many of these as you want to and pop them in your book, so you can have a couple of them in each little pocket like that. So it's entirely up to you what you do with them, but I just think they look lovely. So next week, once we've put some other little bits and pieces in it from the last of the Friday freebies, I will also add in a few little extra bits of lace and trim and bits and pieces like that. So get your bits and pieces ready. If you've got anything that's sort of like this colour, sort of creams and blues and purples, you can pop them into here like this. So I just think this is lovely, and it is a fab little gift for somebody as well, isn't it? Let's take that off. Once you've made that, I pop Stay Beautiful on this one, and I pop Be Yourself on that one, which I think looks lovely. So now I have my two. This one's full up. I don't want to show you all of it because I've got next week's bits and pieces in there, so I don't really want you to see those yet. So let's pop there. So there we go, guys. So pop over to the Facebook group. Let me see if I have all of them ready here. So I think, right, I do. I've got them all here to hand. So this was number 45, 145. So that was the cover. So you've got the cover. These were 146. So you got 2 pages for that. So you're going to download 2 pages. Now you got the brown one with the music paper on, and you got this beautiful bluey colour one, which is lovely. And what I did on these ones, I've just printed on the back with some of my grungy and distress papers, but you can print on whatever you like on the back. And if you wanted to print these onto tea stain paper, you can do that. And they look lovely. So this is what I've got on the back, which is just the grungy papers on there, which I'm loving, and it all matches in lovely. So that was last week's, and then this week's was your lovely journal cards and your pockets. So pop over, pick those up, download them or save them onto one of your devices so you are ready to make a journal. So you've got that all ready. Even if you're going away, if you're going away this summer, you could print this off and have a little project to do while you're away. And then you could pop some little photographs in there, which would look nice, wouldn't it, of your trip. So there we go, guys. That's your Friday freebie for this week. I hope you love it as much as I do. Looking forward to seeing them all in the Facebook group this week or next week when they're finished. But again, you can use it for whatever you like as well. Pop them in your journals that you're making too. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic rest of the day. Again, have a beautiful weekend, and I will see you all soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.